Do you want to know the secret spices to Sam's rotisserie chicken? I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make a copycat Sam's whole chicken in the crock pot. Stay tuned. If you're a Sam's Club member, you know they offer a really cheap, delicious rotisserie chicken. For $4.98, you get a nice-sized cooked rotisserie chicken ready to eat. The seasoning on the chicken is so good. Tonight I'm cooking a whole chicken in my crock pot. I have a nice-sized 7-pound chicken that I cleaned and trimmed. You can use a 5 to 8-pound chicken, and it all depends on the size of the slow cooker that you're using. I'm seasoning the chicken inside and out. Today I'm using Sam's Club Secret, and that is Lawry seasoning salt. They actually marinate the chicken in Lawry salt brine before cooking, but I'm skipping that step today. Just as you would do when roasting a whole chicken, we want to fill the cavity so the chicken cooks evenly, and it's also a vessel to flavor the chicken. I'm using some diced onions and garlic cloves today. You can add lemon or any fresh herbs that you may have, whatever you like. I'm putting a bed of diced carrots and celery on the bottom so the chicken can rest on top. Fitting the chicken in the crock pot, covering and cooking on high for 4 hours or on the low setting for 7 to 8 hours. It's been 4 hours and the chicken is done and smelling good. I'm removing the chicken and letting it rest for a good 15 to 20 minutes before serving. If you wanted to crisp up the skin, you could place the chicken under a broiler. You can see the chicken has produced its own juices. This broth is rich with flavor, and you can use it to spoon over the chicken and vegetables, make a gravy, or save for soups. The chicken is nice and tender with that great Sam's Club flavor. This makes a great meal, and there will be plenty of leftover for casseroles and sandwiches. I hope you give this easy and delicious crock pot whole chicken recipe a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!